Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Rani, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Be safe, wear mask while coming out. Okay, try to avoid coming out. Now, today we are going to learn our third lesson. Okay, this is a new lesson, working with files and folder. This is the name of the lesson. Okay, working with files and folder. Here in this chapter we are going to learn some of the options available for with files and folders, then how to create these files and folders, and how to copy, how to paste, and uh, and the other options what are all there available, everything we are going to see. Okay, now we will have a small introduction. Okay, before that introduction, this chapter deals with various operations that can be performed on files and folders. Some of the basic operations are how to create, how to copy, how to move, how to rename, etc. Okay, these are all we are going to see. We shall now discuss how to perform these operations in Windows Explorer. Okay, Windows Explorer, you must be knowing what is this. The Windows Explorer is a library of the computer. So whatever there in the computer, any pictures or sound or any folder, file or any document, whatever you have in your computer informations, all everything collectively would be present under this file explorer. So with the file explorer, you will find all the ultimate information there present in your computer. Everything can be seen under this explorer. Okay, now first we are going to learn how to create folders. Okay, how to create a folder. There are two types can be applied to create a folder. Method one is like you have to go to the files, you have using the menu bar we are creating the folder. Okay, using the menu bar we are creating the folder, for which you have to click on the menu first. Okay, click on the menu, point a new and select the option. Then under menu, under file menu, you have to select new option, and under which you have to select the folder option. Okay, for which you have to point your mouse under file menu, then point your mouse to select the option called new, then under that you have to select a folder. Okay, so this will give you a new folder. Okay, then type your design name. By default, after doing this, your folder name would be new folder. Okay, you have to delete and give new name and save it. Once if you press enter, the new name would be saved automatically. Okay, then what is the second method? Second method is nothing but just by right clicking. Okay, there will be a pop-up menu would appear. In that appear, there will be an option called new. Okay, there will be an option called new. Under this new option, select folder option. Okay, select folder option, then the new folder would be appear. Give a design name and press enter. That's it, the new folder would be created. Okay, the method one is you are creating a folder by using file menu, and by second option, second method is creating a folder by right clicking the mouse. Okay, then open a file or folder. This is already open, already created a file, and here we are opening it. That's it. Okay, select the folder you want to open and click on file menu and select the option called open. Okay, just keep your mouse pointer on the folder where you want to open, then go to file menu, there will be an option called open. Just click on open, automatically the folder will get open. The folder gets open with its content in a new window. Okay, now the method 2 is just by right clicking it, right clicking the folder there will be a option called open. Okay, you have to select that. After selecting that, the file would be automatically opened. Okay, similarly a file can be opened by using a file menu or pop-up menu. The file opens with the application window in which it was created. Okay, by default, if you do so, the second method, if the file has created as a document, the document word document file only will be opened. Okay, suppose I have created a word document, I want to see it in a PDF format, then there is a option called open with. Okay, just by right click on the folder, then right click on the file, then you have to select the option called open with. Okay, under which there will be a many options available. There you have to select the option called PDF. Then if you do so, the file what you created as a document would be opened as PDF format. Okay, opened in PDF format. So this is one, this is a there is a two options available to open a file. Then renaming a file, how to rename a file? The same way, select the folder or name. Okay, then select the folder you want to rename and click on the file menu and select the option called rename. The same way, where you found new and where you found save and where you found open, there itself rename is also available. Select a rename. Okay, select rename and type a new name and press enter key. That's it. This is renaming the folder with the help of the file menu. Another option is just by clicking on the right click. Okay, just right click on the folder, then there will be an option called rename. Select the option, then give a design name, then press enter. That's it. This is method 2. Okay, there are two methods. One is using menu, we are doing it. Other one is by clicking the right click, by pressing the right button on the mouse, we are doing it. Okay, both the way we can do it. Then copying a file and folder. Kids, before learning this copy, cut, paste and all, you have to know one thing. Copying means you're doing a duplicate. Okay, when you copy a file and paste somewhere else, that means you're creating a duplicate file. Okay, but when you're doing cutting, okay, that means moving. You are moving the entire document from one place to other place. Okay, so these are the difference between copy and cut. Okay, for which now here in this slide we are going to learn only copy. Okay, method 1 is select the folder you want to copy, click on edit menu and select the option called copy. Okay, select the option called copy. First we have to select the folder called edit. Okay, file select the menu called edit. Under edit there will be a option called copy. Then you have to select that. Then the desired folder would be copied to clipboard. Clipboard is a temporary place where cutted files would be present there. Okay, as soon as you paste it in the desired location, the clipboard would be again empty. Okay, so in between copy and paste, in between the file, okay, after copying, before pasting, the file would be present in the clipboard. Okay, so clipboard is a temporary storage. Okay, after pasting, automatically the file would vanish from the clipboard. So it is a temporary storage area where data is kept until it is pasted into another location. Now select a different location where the copied folder has to be placed and then click on edit menu and select the option called paste. Okay, how we selected the option called copy, now we have to select the option called paste. Okay, paste, and now the folder gets copied on the selected location. Okay, on your desired location, the file would have made a duplicate copy. Okay, would have made a duplicate copy. So this is the method of copying and pasting. Okay, then the second method is using pop-up menu, right click on the folder and select the option called copy. Okay, suppose I want a file to be copied to some other place, then I'll just right click on the folder. There will be an option called copy. I will select it. As soon as I give this, my folder would be copied. Then right click and select the option called paste on the desired location. Okay, go to desired location. There you give a right click. There would be an option called paste. Okay, the folder gets copied while copying a folder. Both the original folders and copy of folder exist. It means this is what the difference I told you. Okay, difference between copy paste and cut paste. Okay, copy paste will create a copy, but cut paste will move a copy. Okay, will move a document. So this is the difference between both. Then now cut a file and folder. Here also two options are there. The same way, using edit menu. Under edit menu there is a option called cut. Okay, there is a option called cut. You have to select that option. As soon as you give, the folder would cut, would be moved to your clipboard. Then on the desired area, keep your mouser, press your mouser there, then select the option called paste from the same edit menu. Okay, then automatically the file would be pasted there on the desired location. This is one option. Then the second method, what is the second method? Just by right clicking on the mouse, like right clicking on the folder by mouse, there will be a option called cut. Okay, so as soon as you give cut, the folder would be copied to clipboard. Then go to the desired place. There you again right click and select the option called paste. There the file would be pasted there. Okay, so this is like using mouse we are doing it. Okay, these are all the difference between cut paste and copy paste. Then delete a file or folder. This is very simple. As soon as you just select the folder and press enter the delete button on the keyboard. This button is there on the keyboard. This key is there on the keyboard. Just select the file and press on the delete key. That's it. The file would be deleted. All the deleted files would be available on the recycle bin for the for the restore purpose. Okay, for the restore purpose. By mistake, if you have deleted any file or folder, we can very well go to recycle bin and get back it to the same location where it was available earlier. Okay, so this is like deleting a file or folder. Then method 2 is to delete the folder using pop-up menu. Right click on the folder and select the option called delete. Okay, option called delete. Right click on the file and select the option called delete. Now the folder get deleted temporarily. Okay, in this both the method, the user is asked to confirm the deletion, yes or no. Click on yes to delete. Okay, before deleting, the computer will ask you want to really delete it or not. Okay, by mistake, if you have selected the option, so we can give no, or else if you really want to delete it, you have to select the option called yes. Okay, then searching a file and folder. Okay, searching a file and folder. As soon as you switch on the computer, you will find a desktop. Okay, desktop area. In the desktop area, okay, in the taskbar, okay, below in the bottom taskbar, there you will find a start button. As soon as you click on the start button, there will be an option called search in. Okay, under this search in, you will find the option called for folder and files. Okay, files and folders. As soon as you click on this files and folder option, your image will be looking like this. Here in this screen, you will see a picture. Like this picture would appear in your desktop. Okay, here in the file name area, you have to give a file name. then click on the magnifying glass, okay, magnifier. Then automatically the desired file or folder would be selected, would be searched, okay. It will give you the list of name which is matching to your search, okay. For example, we'll do a small example here. We are now going to select one paint file, okay, paint file. How to do that, step by step we will see. Number one, first step is click on start button, point to search and choose file or folder. The option has to be selected. Then the third one is type the extension, okay, type the extension. What is the extension for paint file? It is bmp, okay, bmp. In the last lesson we have learned all this, okay. Star dot bmp, if you give star dot bmp, the entire paint files would be listed on the window on the right side, okay. You can choose whatever the file you want, okay. Star dot bmp list the entire bmp files in your computer. Then step 3, now click on the search button, okay. Step 3 is click on the search button, and the files with an extension bmp paint files would be listed, okay. Then we are in the slide we are going to learn some shortcut keyboard keys, okay. Shortcut keyboard keys. Just now I taught you what is copying file, and cutting file, and pasting file, and deleting a file, okay. There are shortcut keys for all these options in the keyboard, okay. If you give control c, copy a file or folder will happen, okay. You can copy or file or folder, okay. Control c copies a files or folder. Then what is control x? It will cut the file, okay. It will cut the file or folder. Then control v will paste the cutted one or copied one into a desired location, okay. Then del key, if you, as soon as you press del, the selected content would be deleted from the desktop, okay. Now viewing a file and folder means somebody likes to see the files and folders as a list. Somebody likes to see it in a bigger picture. Somebody likes to see it in a medium size icons. Somebody likes to see this in a thumbnail format. So as per our desire, as per our like, we are selecting the option to view the files and folders, okay. So what is the content here? We can view files and folders by choosing a drive from my computer window. By double clicking on a drive, a new window opens displaying the files and folders of the drive. Now choose view icons, okay. View icons from the standard toolbar. A drop down list appear with the following option. There will be a 4 options would be there: thumbnail, tiles, icons, list, and the details, okay. Thumbnails means small pictures would be there. Tiles means all the videos in a tile format it will be, with the rows and columns together, okay. Then the icons, then the icon means the small icons would be there. Then the list means the detailed list of the files would be presented there. That means detailed list means name of the file, and the created time, created date, and what type of file it is. Everything, all information about these files and folders would be there, okay. Then see, these are the thumbnails, okay. These are the example for thumbnails. Thumbnails view displays the image that a folder contains for quick and easy identification for the content of the folder. It also displays the complete folder name, okay. It also displays the complete folder name. See, folders are represented as folder icon, and the files are represented as a file icon, and the pictures are represented as picture icon, okay. Then this is the tiles view. Tile view means in the tiles view, the files and folders are displayed as icons with their respective name on the right side. For files, It also displays the application name and the file size too. Here also the complete file and folder name is displayed. Okay, the tiles format would be appearing like this. Okay, now additionally, with every icon, with every files and folder icon, you can see the file size and application name additionally. Okay, what is the size of the file and the application name, everything. Is it a bmp file, picture paintbrush file, or it is a document file, means doc will be there, or if it is a excel file, xls would be there. So like that we can identify the file size and application name with this type. Then icon type. In icon view, the files and folders are displayed as icon with their name displayed under the icon. If the files or folder name is very big, displays only the first part of it. Here the display of the icon is smaller when compared to tiles and thumbnails view. Okay, where tiles and thumbnails view will give you the complete name of the files and folder, but here it is not like that. The only first name would be shown as a title, shown as a name of the file or folder. Okay, this is called icon. Then the last one is list. In this view, the folder are displayed one below the other, followed by the files in alphabetical order, preceded by small icon, very tiny small icons, and the detailed information would be there as a list. So this is the list one. Then the detail means this view is similar to the list of view, but it gives more information. In this view also, the folder name are displayed first one below the other, preceded by the small icons, the followed by files in alphabetical order. Okay, let's take, I have so much of files, so all files will be arranged in alphabetical order, and the detailed information would be there. Okay, for files, the display, it displays the file size, how much the file size, and the application name. Okay, if it is a paint file, this will show you it is a paint file. It is a powerpoint file, then it will tell you it is a powerpoint file. If it is a excel file, it will tell you excel's file, or if it is a document, it will tell you document file. Like that, the detailed application name would be given along with the date and time it was created, by what date and time it was created, and last modified whenever you open this file last. Okay, so that information also would be there in the detail file list. Okay, so these are the options available in this lesson. Okay, I think now we have come to the end of this session. Okay, till this I have finished the lesson, the entire lesson have finished. In next video we will see the question and answer and one word book answers, book back complete exercises we will see. Okay, till that, again and again do watch this video, so that you will get a better clarity on this subject. Okay kids, now we will meet in the next class. Okay, till then I'll take leave. Bye.